Welcome to Triple M Farms.
Hi there, my name's Calvin, and I'm here to tell you why manufacturing is so important.
Why isn't there any cheese on my pizza?
Oh no! Alex doesn't have any cheese on his pizza, because without manufacturing, there would be no feed, so no cheese and no cheese pizza.
Each farm has a nutritionist that comes out and puts together a ration or a recipe for each farm. And once they have that ration together, they send it to us. Here's a recipe right here, and it's just everything we follow. Put it in pound per pound for each item, and then we blend it together and deliver it out to the farms.
Following the recipe, the minerals are then added to the grain to make a nutritious blend for each customer's order. That's exactly what this man is doing.
Okay, so the importance of roasting the grains is to break down an enzyme that makes it a lot easier for the animal to digest. And it also, on top of that, it takes care of any molds or toxins that would have been, from harvesting the grain that was in the field. It takes care of any molds and toxins.
Here's where the grain gets loaded into trucks. It's breakfast here at Villa Pines Farm, and the cows are enjoying the feed that Mr. Ziegler gets from Triple M.
The piece that Triple M does as well is they have the capacity to do what a lot of us can't do, and so that's where agriculture is unique, because not only are we working with the best partner to make something that's efficient and effective, but it's just a partnership of value.
What's so cool about manufacturing feed? Well, it's a very crucial part of putting food on the tables, putting food in the grocery shelves. But at the grocery store, without this step of feeding the animals, feeding the cows, they don't produce milk, they can't make cheese, and we don't get cheese on our pizza, and that ain't gonna be good.
I'm so happy to have cheese on my pizza again.
Thanks to manufacturing, Alex has cheese on his pizza. Woohoo!
And this is what's so cool about manufacturing.